Here's a short video of this really nice one-owner 2016 Lincoln MKX all-wheel drive here at Boucher, Ford Lincoln, West Bend. One owner, clean Carfax history report, fully inspected by our factory certified techs. It does include the balance of factory warranty plus Lincoln's comprehensive certified warranty. It does have the Select Plus package, which includes navigation, Bliss blind spot monitoring system with cross traffic alert. It does have the climate package as well, which includes heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, rain sensing wipers. Test drive this MKX today here at Boucher, Ford Lincoln, West Bend. Sharp vehicle. Very nice. Stop by to test drive this all-wheel drive system with the weather we've got coming here. Boucher, Ford Lincoln, West Bend. We're here from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturday. Give us a call, 262-338-3379. Thanks very much. Hope to be of service.